Good morning, teacher. I want to tell to you about myself. My name is Edwin Jordan Kiyakos. I am 18 years old. I am Ecuadorian. My telephone number 0985184948. My free time listen to music, read video games. My family made of 5 the people: my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, and wealth of the country and weekends, and they enjoy natural. We like us to learn speak English and force the younger brother. My mom housewife. My dad enjoy bleeder. My sister is chef. My younger brother is a student. Thank you.